The next wave of AI interfaces is browser agents. Tools like OpenAI's Atlas, Microsoft's Copilot in Edge, and Perplexity's Comus that can navigate across tabs, summarize information, fill out forms, and execute complex tasks on your behalf. These promise to revolutionize how we interact with the internet. But there's a critical security vulnerability that companies haven't solved yet, and users are already being exposed to it. Traditional browsers. You click links, you fill forms, you explicitly authorize actions. The trust model is clear. You control everything. AI browser agents. The AI acts on your behalf across multiple tabs simultaneously, making decisions about what to click, what to read, what to execute. The trust model becomes ambiguous. Here's the vulnerability. Brave's research team discovered that AI browser agents are susceptible to prompt injection attacks. This is where malicious actors embed hidden commands in websites that the AI reads and executes as if they were legitimate user instructions. Two primary attack vectors exist. Visual injection. Commands are hidden in the pixels of an image or screenshot. You can't see them. The AI can. When the browser agent scans that image, it reads those hidden instructions and executes them. Navigation injection. A website contains hidden malicious commands in its text or code. When the AI agent visits that page to perform a task, it can't distinguish between commands from you and commands embedded in the website. It treats the website's instructions as legitimate user directives. The core problem is that current AI systems lack reliable command authentication. They treat instructions from any source, user, web page, image file, as potentially legitimate. There's no robust mechanism for the AI to verify this command actually came from my human user versus this came from a potentially hostile external source. The consequences are severe: theft of authentication cookies, unauthorized reading of private emails, execution of financial transactions, form submissions you never authorized. Essentially, a malicious website can hijack your AI assistant and use it against you. This creates what's being called the AI trust tax. Users adopting these new browser agents are bearing the security risk in exchange for cutting-edge features. The technology is deployed before the security infrastructure is mature. This isn't theoretical. Brave's research team demonstrated successful attacks against OpenAI's Atlas, and Microsoft's gaming Copilot continuously records screen activity that users cannot disable, raising parallel privacy concerns even though Microsoft claims it's not for model training. For users, the practical advice is uncomfortable. Be extremely cautious about which AI browser agents you trust, understand that they have access to everything you're viewing, and assume that security is still being figured out in production with real users as the test subjects. I think we'll see at least one major security incident